Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI, and I have your new favorite condiment right here. This is hot crispy oil. This stuff is amazing. This is a little flavor bomb in a jar, and I am kind of obsessed with it. So when I first got this, I thought I wasn't really sure what I would put it on. Now I have a hard time not putting it on everything that I eat. So this is a blend of extra virgin olive oil, crispy garlic, shallots, and a blend of chili peppers. And wow, it tastes so good. If you love garlic and onion flavor, you are gonna absolutely go crazy for it. And the texture is really what makes it. So you can actually hear that it is crispy. So these little pieces are really, really crispy, crunchy. Even though they're in the oil, they stay with that really crisp texture. So it's the perfect thing to put on almost anything that you want to add a little bit of crunch and a big hit of flavor. As far as spice goes, I like spicy foods, and I found this to be pretty mild. Of course, everyone's taste is different, but I feel like this can really go on so many things because it's not overly spicy, but it just adds a little gentle heat and just amazing flavor. I have put this on everything from ramen to noodles to eggs, on a sandwich, on a taco salad. It's really hard to limit myself when it comes to the hot crispy oil. So if you're looking for an incredible flavor booster that you can just reach for and enhance anything that you're eating, then definitely check out hot crispy oil. It is so delicious. I really love it. And that is my point of view.